Hello everyone, welcome to the Anonymous NEET PG Mentor channel. I'm a guy from Delhi and I gave the NEET PG 2021 and I secured an AIR of under 350. Then I made this channel anonymously to help my fellow NEET PG aspirants. So in this video, I'll be telling about my sources which I used to crack the NEET PG 2021. Before telling you about my main sources, I'll let you know that the individual things that I did. In my second year of UG, I did the GRG Pharma class, and in my third year of UG, I did DAMS for 1 year, in which they taught the third year and the final year, and then I subscribed to Marrow Plan C, which was my main source of preparation throughout my NEET PG preparation phase. Now coming to subject wise, first of all, anatomy. I subscribed to Ashwini sir's app, and I think it was the best source for anatomy. But I think the app is not available now because he has tied up with DBMCI. For physiology, I did the DAMS notes by Dr. Anupama. They were very nice and helpful. For biochemistry, I did the marrow notes by Dr. Rebecca James. For pathology, I did an individual class of Dr. Devesh, and it was one of the best classes that I did for NEET PG, and I used his notes for path. For pharma, as I said, I took an individual class in second year for GRG, and one of the mistakes that I did was I took the class in second year and I did not update my notes till 2021. So that was one of the mistakes. So I would recommend all the aspirants, whoever has taken a class in second year or third year, please keep your notes updated to till date. For microbiology, I did the notes by Dr. Rajiv. He's from DBMCI. Someone suggested it to me and I found them very concise and nice. So you should go for it. For forensic medicine, I did the notes from Marrow, Dr. Jhaman. For ENT, I used the DAMS notes by Dr. Deepak. They are also very nice. For ophthalmology, I used the DAMS notes by Dr. Ruchi, but I also had to add certain things from Marrow notes because I found that MAM's notes were a bit insufficient for me. Coming to PSM, I subscribed to the app by Dr. Vivek Jain, and I think very beautiful. Sir has taught very beautifully, and I kept on adding the updates from Marrow by Dr. Mukmohit sir. Coming to medicine, hands down, DAMS notes by Dr. Arvind. I consider him the god of medicine. The notes were beautiful, and medicine was very easy to revise after that. Surgery, I did the Marrow notes by Dr. Rohan Khandelwal. Again, beautifully taught and beautiful notes. For Obs Gynae, you all know DAMS notes by Dr. Deepti. Nothing better than that for Obs Gynae in the entire country. For pediatrics, I used the DAMS notes by Dr. Siddharth, but then I found them to be insufficient. Then somebody told me that Marrow notes by Dr. Singaram were good, so I had to do the entire pediatrics again. But I would prefer Marrow notes by Dr. Singaram for pediatrics. For orthopedics, I used the DAMS notes by Dr. Tushar, and I also attended the Ortho Dhoom Dhadaka by Dr. Apurv. But I think Tushar sir's notes are enough for orthopedics. For radiology, even though I did not study this subject enough, whenever I used to study, I used to do DAMS notes by Dr. Sumer. And coming to the remaining subjects, that is Derma, Psyche and Anesthesia, I use the Marrow notes because I think Marrow for short subjects is one of the best. You can do short subjects from Marrow anytime. Coming to the MCQ sources, I was a Plan C user, so I did the Marrow Q Bank, and I think hands down it is the best question bank that is there today. I completed the Q Bank twice in my preparation, and during the last 1 to 2 months, I did the important modules again. I also made custom modules, and in the upcoming videos, I'll tell you how to best use the custom modules. They are a very good feature for a NEET PG aspirant. As I said in my last video, I gave my grand tests on Marrow, and I also gave the DAMS CBT whenever it used to come. Subject wise test and mini test I gave from Marrow, and these were the tests which I used to give when I felt bored or I did not feel like studying. So I'd put on a 20 questions or 50 questions subject wise test and give it just like that. Previous year questions I did from Marrow. There is a separate previous year question module. I also watched the last year NEET and INI videos from eMedicos. And there is a book by Dr. Apoor Mehra for the previous year questions. You can check it out. It was a good book, and it is available on Amazon. My online sources were mainly YouTube and Facebook. On YouTube, I followed Ashwini sir's channel. He has put beautiful dissection videos and also the osteology videos for bone attachments and all. I also followed the Unacademy channel because Dr. Nikita gives a lot of mnemonics. I think they made life easy. And I followed some update pages on Facebook and Instagram, mainly for surgery, OBS gynae, and PSM. And I was also a part of the Marolinks channel on Facebook. So I hope this video helps you. And again, if you have any doubt, you're free to ask in the comment section. Thank you and see you in the next video.